First, a quick review of combinations and permutations. For a combination, remember that order does not matter when we're talking about a combination. So for example, if I have 3 students and I'm going to put them into a group together, the order doesn't make a difference for that. A permutation, now the order does matter. If I'm going to have those 3 students run in a race and I'm going to place the top 3, now that is a different story, and so that's the difference between combinations and permutations. So for example, if I'm looking at the numbers 4, 5, and 6, and I'm going to put them in an order, for a combination, it says that all of these are the same. And so really what we have is, we only have one option here. And I can use my calculator, remember, to find this. If I have, remember the math button, so we're saying I have 3 numbers to choose from, and I use the math button, I go over to probability, and we're talking about a combination. So that's my third option there. And I'm going to pick all 3 of those numbers in that order. I'm going to have my 3 students in a group. I have one possibility there because, remember, the order doesn't matter. Those are all the same. Whereas this same numbers, 4, 5, and 6, if we're talking about a permutation, now the order does matter. And so we're saying that all of these are different. So we can see that there's 6 possibilities. And if we're doing a permutation on our calculator, again, I have 3 numbers I'm choosing from. I go to math, over to probability, it's the second one there. And I'm going to choose all 3 numbers. How many combinations of those 3 numbers would I have? And there's 6 possibilities. Now we're also talking about the counting principle in this section. And remember, the counting principle, we're talking about total number of possibilities. So for example, I'm getting ready to pack for a trip, and I want to find out the total number of outfits I have possible. And let's assume that I'm not too worried about whether things are fashionable or not. I'm going to pack my shirts, and it's going to be nice and warm where I'm going, so I'm going to pack some shorts, and I need some footwear. And so we're going to count everything as if it's the same and everything goes together. So I've got a blue shirt, and I've got a green shirt, and I have a red shirt. And then it's going to be nice and warm, so I'm going to pack my Daisy Dukes. And I'm going to pack out some workout shorts. And for different footwear, because it's going to be nice, I'm going to make sure I pack my sandals. And I might want to dress up, so I'm going to pack my cowboy boots too. All right, so as far as the counting principle goes, for our total number of possibilities, our total number of outfits, we have 3 shirts, we have 2 shorts, and we have 2 as far as the footwear goes. And so our total number of outfits, I take 3 times 2 times 2, and we would have a possibility of 12 outfits. So if I'm gone for a week, then I'm set.